Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by combining 500 g bread flour, 325 ml lukewarm water, 7 g instant yeast, 10 g salt, and 15 ml olive oil in a large bowl. Mix until no dry flour remains, then turn onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Oil a 12-inch metal or cast iron pan with 10 ml olive oil, place the dough inside, and press and stretch it to the edges. Cover and let the dough proof for 60 minutes until it doubles in size. After the dough has doubled, punch it down and press it to fit a 12-inch pan, leaving a rim about 3.5 mm thick for a defined crust edge. Spoon 120 ml of tomato sauce evenly, then distribute 150 g shredded mozzarella in a light layer. Add heavier toppings sparingly so the center does not become soggy. For high-moisture toppings like mushrooms or peppers, par-cook them or par-bake the crust at 220 degrees C for 7 minutes first. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees C and position a rack low for a crisper bottom if desired. Place the assembled 12-inch pan pizza on the lower rack and bake for 12 to 16 minutes, checking at 12 minutes. You want a golden brown rim and bubbling cheese. For an extra crisp underside, start on the low rack for the first 8 minutes, then move to the center for the remainder. Remove with oven mitts, let rest for 4 to 6 minutes to set the cheese, slice, and serve hot with optional chili flakes or olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.